Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi everyone, I'm back. Yes, we are back together to learn phonics with Meow. Hi, I'm the most exciting organism in the world. Yes, it's so exciting to have Meow together with me to learn phonics. So today we are going to learn a new phonics, O and Y. O and Y. Yes, O and Y. Do you know what's the sound like? I don't know. Can you tell me? Yes, it sounds I. I. Yes. Yes, it sounds I. Okay, it sounds like a pirate. Yes, it sounds like I. The pirate. Ahoy, matey. You really know how to talk like a pirate? Yes. I watched too much SpongeBob SquarePants. I love that too. Okay, so OY sounds I. Yes, OY sounds I. O and Y sounds I. Okay, let's look at the first word. Okay. That's a C. Yes, it's a C and I. Yes, so C sounds K. OY sounds I. So it's K, I, K, I, Kai. 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 Koi, is it like the koi fish? Yeah. No, it's not like the koi fish, but it's the same sound, koi fish, spelled K-O-I. But this one is C-O-Y, koi. So what is it? What is koi? Koi is pemalu, segan silu. Oh, it's like, oh, I'm so coy. That's funny. Yes, you know, I'm usually not always the coyest person. Yes, that's true. Okay, coy means malu, pemalu ataupun segan silu. Okay, so this is the alphabet P and I. So it sounds I, B, I, B, I, boy, boy. It's boy. I know what boy is. So what is boy? It's budak lelaki. Yes, boy is budak lelaki. So what do you call budak perempuan? Girl. We call budak perempuan girl. Yes, budak perempuan we call girl. Budak lelaki we call boy. Boy. Okay, let's look at the next word. Oh, I think you will enjoy it, and most of you, I think, like to play with this. Okay, it's T and I. So it sounds T-I. T-I. Toy. Toy. It's toy. I like toys. So what's your favorite toy? I like the feather thing that you usually play with me. Oh, the feather thing, and you like to catch it, doesn't you? Okay. Don't you like it a lot? Yes, I like it a lot. Okay, let's look at the word. I think this is the last word. Okay, so there's an S in front of the I. So it's soy. 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 Soy? What's a soy? Soy is soya. Oh, like the drink. Yes, like the drink, and it's also actually a type of bean. Kacang. Yes, kacang soya ataupun soy. But we also turn it into a few other foods such as kicap soya. Yes, kicap soya and minuman soya. Yes, soya bean drink. Do you like soya bean? Not so much. Me too. I don't like soya beans too. Okay, we have already come to the end of our phonics session now. Wow, that's fast. Yes, today is a fast session. Okay, so don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment below. Yes, click like, subscribe and comment below about what you think of this video and what new words have you learned with the phonics I, and the students that comment this video will get a sticker, and the best comment will get a prize from me in the class. Wow, that's exciting. I never got a prize from you. I will give you on your birthday. Okay, so that's all for now in our short session. So don't forget to watch our next video, and we'll say goodbye for now. Bye.